The night is quiet, heavy with regret. I trace the roads where all our hearts had met. Your shadow falls across the empty floor, a ghost that lingers knocking at my door. The silence whispers secrets I can't hide, a fragile truth that tears me up inside. And still I walk beneath this endless rain. I'm reaching out, but you are far away. The echoes haunt the words I try to say. My heart still burns, although the flame is gone. I sing your name, but know I stand alone. The tears keep falling, rivers through my hands. A dream of love I cannot understand. Yet in the dark, your memory remains, a fragile flame that nothing can contain. The dawn awakens, but it feels the same. A hollow morning, nothing left to claim. I walk in circles, searching through the haze. Each step a memory I can't erase. The world keeps moving, but I stand behind, a prisoner to the echoes in my mind. And still I wait for something never near. I'm reaching out, but you are far away. The echoes haunt the words I try to say. My heart still burns, although the flame is gone. I sing your name, but know I stand alone. The tears keep falling, rivers through my hands. A dream of love I cannot understand. Yet in the dark, your memory remains, a fragile flame that nothing can contain. If time could heal the scars that never fade, I'd trade it all for one more chance we made. But in this world where shadows take their hold, I'm left with silence and a heart grown cold. The song we started